I was really positively surprised with, first, the quality of the team. Wonderful people have all worked in gene therapy, in DNA for a number of years. But also, I found a company already with a culture that is very conducive to creating new knowledge and to building innovative approaches. It's what's important to us as we build Imunon is to preserve this culture, a culture of perseverance, a culture of transparency and trust and courage. And all these behaviors are what makes a company successful.
There's a real environment of can-do attitude. So we've been asked to do lots of different things since I've been here. Different types of formulations, different types of molecules, different types of drugs, and I mean different types of drugs. And so we may not have been experts on day one, but everybody has said, okay, this is the goal, let's figure out how to do it. And that attitude is really spread throughout the whole company. And so it makes every day coming to work exciting.
Even with a small company with limited resources, if you're committed, passionate, and have the right technology to pursue, it could result in a reward that will benefit not only the company, the people, but most of all, people who have need in medical discoveries and treatment.
The best part about working here in Imunon is like open door policy. You are able to be creative in a way because if you can talk your ideas and then you have a good input with the senior staff, it really is a very positive response.
We can be very nimble and show that to a potential partner down the road. Is not only do we have the clinical data, we have the manufacturing infrastructure at a smaller scale, pilot scale, that can be scaled up if they were interested in collaborating or partnering with us on a vaccine in the future.
I think what's important for people to understand about Imunon and DNA vaccines is the capacity that DNA has and the potential that DNA has to improve the health of people, and the capacity that the Imunon and the people and the scientists here at the company have to develop those products and bring it to people to help improve the healthcare.
I think what's most exciting to me about Imunon is that we can come to work one day and think about a new treatment for a disease using DNA, build that molecule, test it, and then manufacture it and release it for human clinical testing, all within the walls of Imunon.
One thing I know for certain about Imunon, that we are very resilient. In scientific discovery and development, it's never a straight line. We do run into failures, and the team at Imunon is very resilient. It can move on and learn from a failure to move on to something better and with higher potential for success. I know that for sure about Imunon is the resilient nature of the team.
Every staff member I know and every person who's working with me is quite committed to the program, and they just want to make this work. I would like people to know that Imunon is the best place I've been in my career so far. I love it here. It's the best place to work.